In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best spinning rod. So let's get started. Number 7. Cast King Royale Select. If you're looking for a high-quality 2-piece spinning rod, the Cast King Royale Select fishing rod is a good option. This spinning rod is made from carbon matrix cast flex graphite, which is durable and sensitive. No matter how you like to fish, this spinning rod is versatile and built to fit a variety of styles. The Fuji line guides allow for excellent casting distance and accuracy. The reel seats are made from high-strength nylon for a stable base and all-day comfort. Even though this rod can be broken down into 2 pieces, it performs just as well and with as much sensitivity as a 1-piece spinning rod. Whether you prefer bass fishing or trout fishing, this spinning rod is an excellent addition to your collection. Number 6. Placo Elite Hunter. The Placo Elite Hunter fishing rod is another good option at an affordable price. This 2-piece spinning rod is constructed from an IM6 carbon matrix technology to maximize durability, performance, and sensitivity. There is also a non-slip EVA and cork handle for better grip while fishing. Stainless steel guides with ceramic inserts allow for smooth performance, minimize friction, and prevent lines from sticking into the guides. The tip of this rod is designed to prevent the fishing line from twisting while partaking in panfish, trout, bass fishing, and more. The durable plastic reel seat, with a double locking structure, is easy to assemble and disassemble in just a few minutes. This fishing rod is versatile, and it can be used with all types of fishing lines. Number 5. Fenwick HG Spinning. Although it is priced at a premium, the Fenwick HG Spinning fishing rod is a reliable product. This 2-piece spinning rod is one of the most lightweight rods available, yet it is durable and comfortable. The TAC handle provides great grip for all types of fishing conditions. This design is advertised to be more durable than cork, and it provides reliable grip, even in wet conditions. The titanium guides help to eliminate tangles in the fishing line, as well as insert pop-outs. Another benefit with Fenwick fishing rods is that they come with limited lifetime warranties, which will cover any manufacturing defects as long as you own the product. Number 4. Ugly Stick Elite Spinning. The Ugly Stick Elite Spinning fishing rod is one of the most durable 2-piece spinning rods on the market. This product is built from a graphite and fiberglass, providing a lightweight yet strong and sensitive construction. The stainless steel guides provide added durability and eliminate insert pop-outs. The clear tip is designed to add strength and sensitivity as well. The cork grip handles are stable and comfortable even during long fishing trips. This 2-piece spinning rod is known for its reliability, durability, effectiveness, and performance, built for use in all types of conditions and climates. This manufacturer also stands behind its products. A 7-year limited warranty is included with the purchase of this fishing rod. Number 3. Cadence Spinning Rod. The Cadence Spinning Rod is another high-quality product. This 2-piece spinning rod is extremely lightweight and easy to pack or carry along on any long fishing trip. It is constructed from a 30-ton, durable carbon matrix graphite, built to hold up in almost any condition. The Fuji reel seat is comfortable yet reliable, allowing you to reel in even the hardest fighting fish. This 2-piece spinning rod is perfect for bass fishing, walleye fishing, trout fishing, salmon fishing, and more. It is available in 2 different handle configurations, a carbon split grip, and a full grip using a premium cork and EVA. The stainless steel guides with SICK inserts helps to prevent your line from sticking into the guides, minimizes friction, and enhances sensitivity. Number 2. Ugly Stick GX2. This is called the Ugly Stick GX2 spinning rod, in a more technical way. It is regarded as the next generation of Ugly Stick registered, which combines the culture and custom of the imaginative while sustaining the durability and strength which Ugly Sticks registered are equally known for. Ugly Stick registered GX2 rods provide better balance for a lighter treat, enhanced components, and attractive catching makeups for a more fascinating appearance. The features of the tool make it such that they are strong, even balanced fiberglass and graphite construction. It has durable ugly tough one-piece and plain steel line guides. The clear tip makeup is for strength and sensitivity. It has durable and lightweight EVA holds. Number 1. Berkley Lightning Rod. It has a plain steel guide with inserts from exclusively aluminum oxide. The reel seat is also a double-up locking reel. The rubber cork is coated fully. The handles are also in rubber wraps which are actually rubberized. This spinning rod comes in 2 pieces. The spinning rod is well accomplished. It has 8 guides. It equally has comfortable rubberized cork handles and a length of exposed rod blank to enhance their sensitivity. The reel seat is well constructed as well. If it happens that you do not like threads that are exposed on some of them, that do their best to scrub on your hands in a raw manner by the close of the day, you may begin to think about this spinning rod.